Since we know the standard functions of integration, how to integrate the standard functions given hai, so integrate करेंगे and what value we are getting. So based on some standard functions, we have to derive some extended functions. So there are 4 extended functions जो कि हम अभी देखेंगे, and based on that when we are integrating those functions what value we are getting. Basically that is almost वो log के ऊपर रहेगा, logarithmic values रहेंगे. So what we are doing integrating and we are getting logarithmic values. Okay, so we will see some extended functions and जिसके values log में आते हैं, and based on that we will do sums also. Okay, so let's start. So integration में we have seen standard functions. Okay, so some application of standard function or some extended functions are also there. So we'll see there are 4 extended functions that we are going to cover now. The first one is when we have to integrate 1 upon x square minus a square. X square minus a square को when we are differentiating with when we are integrating with respect to x, what value we will get? 1 upon 2a. Always remember 1 upon 2a into log of, this is what, x square minus a square. So x square minus a square क्या होता है? x minus a into x plus a. Okay, so what value will write? Log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. Okay, next is the next extended function 1 upon, अगर integrate करना है हमें 1 upon a square minus x square with respect to x, what value we will get? Again 1 upon 2a log of a plus x divided by a minus x. Why? Because a square minus x square क्या होता है? a plus x into a minus x होगा. So a plus x divided by a minus x will write, and plus c always we have to keep. Why? Because whenever we are integrating we have to always we have to keep one constant. Okay, and third one, the third one क्या, when we have to integrate 1 upon square root of x square plus a square with respect to x, what value we are getting? Log of x plus square root of x square plus a square. Okay, plus c always we have to keep. Now the fourth extended function we'll see, if we have to integrate 1 upon square root of x square minus a square with respect to x, what value we'll get? We'll get log of x plus square root of x square minus a square. x square minus a square को क्या, तो we'll get x square minus a square. यहाँ पे x square plus a square है, तो x square plus a square. So just remember. Okay, so how you have to remember? X square 1 upon x square minus a square है, in that case log of x plus a, x minus a divided by x plus a होगा. Okay, but when it is a square minus x square, it means in this case 1 upon 2a तो रहेगा ही, log of क्या होगा? 1 upon log of क्या होगा? a plus x divided by a minus x. ठीक है, and plus c. And when it is x square root of x square plus a square है, 1 upon square root of x square plus a square है, in that case log of x plus square root of x square plus a square you have to write. And when it is 1 upon square root of x square minus a square, in that case you have to write log of x plus square root of x square minus a square, and plus c always you have to keep. Okay, so now we have a question based on the extended functions, जो integration के extended functions हैं, उस पे based we have one sum. How we'll do this? See, this is in the form of हमारे पास एक था ना, like when 1 upon x square minus a square dx है, so what value we were getting? 1 upon 2a log of, क्या मिलता था हमें? Log of x माइनस a डिवाइडेड बाई x प्लस a, यही मिलता था ना, and प्लस c, ये वैल्यू हमें मिलता था. ओके, सो नाउ so same based on this concept, based on this thing, we have to solve this sum. I is equal to, we'll take 1 upon 9, we'll take 1 upon 9 common. So 1 upon, when we are taking 9 common, we'll get x square and minus 4. तो 4 upon 9 हो जाएगा dx. Okay, now I will be equal to 1 upon 9, and then we have to integrate this 1 upon एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2/3 होल स्क्वायर dx. So a का वैल्यू होगा ये. Now when we'll integrate this value, what value we'll get? 2 into a. ठीक है. So 2 into a. So this is already 1/9 is there, and for this when we'll integrate this one we'll get 1/2 into a. तो a का वैल्यू क्या है? a का वैल्यू is x. Okay, sorry, a का वैल्यू is 4/9. So this is 2. a का वैल्यू is 2/3. Why? Because x square minus 4/9, तो x square minus 2/3 का whole square. So 2/3. Okay, 2a. Now log of what value will write? X minus 2/3 divided by x plus 2/3 plus c. Okay, now 3 3s are 9. Cancel. So I का value will be equal to 1/3 into 2 into 2, that is 12. 1/12. Okay, 1/12 into log of 3x minus 2 divided by 3 and 3x plus 2 divided by 3 plus c. So basically what value we'll get? I का value will be 1/12. ये 3 cancel कर देंगे. So we'll get log of 3x minus 2 divided by 3x plus 2 and plus c. So this will be our answer. Okay. So we have another question. 1/16 minus 9x square with respect to x. We have to find out. We have to integrate this. Okay. So we have to find out the integral. So first of all ये इसका फॉर्म देखेंगे क्या है. So हमारे पास अगर क्वेश्चन था 1/a स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x इंटीग्रेट करते थे तो क्या वैल्यू मिलता था? 1/2a लॉग ऑफ क्या मिलता था वैल्यू? a प्लस x डिवाइडेड बाई a माइनस x प्लस c, ये वैल्यू मिलता था. सो बेस्ड ऑन दिस फॉर्मूला वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, so first of all I का वैल्यू 1 will take 9 कॉमन हम लेते हैं. ओके, 1/9 will take कॉमन. So 16/9 minus x square dx. Okay, now I का वैल्यू will be 1/9 into okay 1/4/3 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस x का होल स्क्वायर. ओके, सो a का वैल्यू इज 4/3. ओके, सो व्हाट वैल्यू विल गेट? 1/9 इंटू क्या मिलता था? 1/2a. सो 1/2 इंटू a का वैल्यू इज 4/3. 4/3 log of 4/3 minus plus x. 4/3 plus x divided by 4/3 minus x. Okay, plus c. Now so I का वैल्यू क्या होगा? c. 3 cancel. So 4 into 2 8. 8 3s are 24. So 1/24 log of 4 plus 3x divided by 3. तो डिवाइडेड बाई 3 एंड न्यूमरेटर में एंड डिवाइडेड बाई 3 डिनोमिनेटर में, तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट वैल्यू विल गेट? 4 minus 3x plus c. So this will be our value. ये वैल्यू होगा when we are finding out the integral of this function with respect to x. ठीक है. See, first of all we'll write the formula. When we have to integrate 1 / square root of x square minus x square plus a square dx, what value we were getting? Log of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Okay, so this formula है, ये formula था हमारा, and based on this formula we have to find out the value. ठीक है, so ये हमारा formula है. Now what we have to do, first of all we'll take 1/9 is 9 जो है वो x के साथ है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी वी हैव टू टेक 9 को बाहर लेना है. x को 1 अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ, we'll take 1 upon 3 common बाहर. So it will be x square and this will be 25 upon 9 dx. Why 3 बाहर आया 9 को when we are taking? Because square root 9 का square root will be 3. Square root of 9 will be 3. So when we are taking it out, 9 को हम बाहर लेंगे, it will be 3. So I का value will be 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3 and integral of which one? X square plus 5 upon 3. 5 upon 3 का square. Why? Because 5 का square is 25, 3 का square is 9. So what value we'll get? हमें क्या value मिलेगा? 1 upon 3 तो as it is रहेगा. Now this इसका value हमें मिलता है log of x plus square root of this plus this. So square root of x plus 5 square plus 5 plus 3 whole square plus c. ठीक है? So we have a question and so we have this question. So ये किसके ऊपर based है? 1 upon square root of x square minus a square के ऊपर based है. So we know that we have to find out the integral of x square minus a square with respect to x. What value we'll get? We'll get log of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. Okay, this value. Now पहले हम इसे solve करेंगे. I का value will be 1 upon, we'll take 1 upon 2 common. So when we are taking 4 common लेंगे, from square root में से हम 4 निकालेंगे बाहर, so we'll get 2 बाहर we'll get only 2. Why? Because 4 का square root is 2. Okay, so x square minus 9 upon 4 dx. So it will be 1 upon 2, 1 upon square root of x square minus 3 upon 2 whole square dx. 3 upon 2 why? Because 9 का square 3 का square will be 9 and 2 का square will be 4. So I का value क्या होगा? 1 upon 2 into, for this one जो formula है, that is log of x plus square root of x square minus 3 upon 2 का square plus c. So this will be the integral of this function with respect to x. Okay, so we have a different kind of question. See, we have to find out the integral of this function 1 upon x into square root of log of x का square minus 5. So what we can do, first of all हम let log of x को हम t ले लेते हैं. Then when will it will be 1 upon x dx will be equal to dt होगा. Okay, now so the function I this will be, ये क्या होगा? 1 upon t square minus 5 को हम can we write square root of 5 का whole square. Okay, so now t minus मतलब x square minus a square के formula पे we have to solve this, and 1 upon x is there, तो 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. Okay, now तो ये formula कौन सा we are applying here? 1 upon x square minus a square. Okay, so that is equal to log of x. So यहाँ पे t है ना basically, तो t square, so log of t plus square root of t square minus a square plus c. तो ये फॉर्मूले पे भी हमको बिठाना है. राइट, नाउ 1 upon, so t this formula. Okay, so when we have to we have this formula, this function, and directly what we'll write, log of t. Okay, t plus t का square minus square root of 5, square root of 5, okay, and plus c, ये वैल्यू मिलेगा. Now we'll put the value of, now I का वैल्यू क्या होगा, इंटीग्रल क्या होगा, we'll put the value of t. So log of t का वैल्यू is log of x plus log of x का whole square and then minus square root of 5 का whole square plus c. Okay, so this will be the integral, this will be the value. Okay,
Hope you understood the concept.
I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.